The Secret Tree House. One afternoon, best friends Kyle and Mateo and Iris explored the old park behind their school. While walking, they noticed a tall tree with wooden steps nailed to its trunk. Curious, they climbed carefully and discovered a hidden tree house. Inside, they found old books, a flashlight, and a notebook. The notebook contained messages from children who visited before. The friends decided to add their own message. Suddenly, strong winds began blowing and dark clouds filled the sky. They stayed calm and waited inside the treehouse. After the rain stopped, they carefully climbed down. They promised to return and take care of the treehouse. The adventure made their friendship stronger.